Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your PlayStation 4 controller over to your PS5. And this is very easy to do. On the home screen here, using Bluetooth, let's go to Settings and scroll on down over to Accessories. Go to General, go to Bluetooth Accessories, and then scroll on down under this list. So we want to put our controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Hold down the share button and the PlayStation button when the controller is turned off, and it'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, and the light bar will begin to blink. So you can see it's blinking right there, and it should show up under Accessories Found right here. So we got DualSense, our DualShock wireless controller. Let's select it and then go to Yes to pair it, and then we can log it into one of our accounts. So let's go to my main account right here and select this, and now I can use it on my PlayStation 5. Now, we are going to be limited to just PS4 games, so if we try to play a PS5 game, I don't believe it will work or anything like that. It says you can't use the DualShock 4 on PS5 games. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.